My name is Collazo. I graduated from cohort 3.0, which is the 5th class at zip code Wilmington. One of the things I liked the most was the just this pace. It was intense. So I was always busy. I always had something to do. There wasn't a lot of time to kind of think about other things in the world. I liked that. I thought it was nice to kind of step out of my everyday life and do something new and learn something new. Before zip code, I was working in refineries doing inspections, mechanical integrity, to check the thickness of the steel for corrosion to see if they need to be repaired or replaced. So I did that all over the country. I did that for 3 years out of when I first got out of college. And then I went into the military for 5 years and then went back for another 2 years after the military. So all in all, 10 years of more of a hands-on technical career field. And I was ready to get out. So as you can tell by my beard and long hair, I wasn't really into the regimented lifestyle of military. So my son is very social and he likes to hang out. He likes to hang out with me and talk to me. And I was always tired and stressed out with my last job and really not really happy with my place in life. So I wanted to make sure that I was in a place in the future where I was happy and where I could pay more attention to my son and kind of he could see that if I'm happy, then he's happy, So for about a month before I attended zip code, I kind of prepped him and said, hey, I'm not going to be around that much for about 3 months. And spend a lot of time with grandma, but it's going to be worth it. I kept telling him that, it'll be worth it in the end. We're going to move to a bigger place. We're going to have more things. I'm going to have more time. And of course, that meant that I had to fulfill that promise. I couldn't just say that and not do it, So now that I've gotten through the program and I am home, we're moving this week into a bigger place. It's 2 houses down, but it's a bigger place. and I spend way more time with him. We're going camping tomorrow and he's happier. I'm not tired when I get home, not irritable. We play chess when I get home and video games and before I was I have to study or I have to do this, and none of that's really a thing now. So I think my family life has gotten better. But during the cohort, it was a struggle. It was hard. I just feel I feel relieved right now. I've been working in a company now for almost 2 months, and I like my job. I have the same kind of excitement going there as I did coming here. I'm learning new things. I'm doing something that's interesting. My quality of life has been a lot more positive. I used to think all the time for the past years, what was I going to do to get a career that I wanted? And it always involved going to college or saving money or, some long-term plan. And I did that for a long time and now I'm done. So it's kind of okay, well, now I have the career I wanted. What now? So it's kind of awesome to think that way. I'm not afraid of what's coming next or worried about it. It's just because it's only going to go up. So I have more time to play music. I relax a lot more. When I go home, I'm done for the day. I don't have to take my work home with me if I don't want to. Sometimes I do just because we're working on interesting things, but I just think that my life has become more positive. My life before zip code helped me get to zip code, and finishing zip code was something that I was just as proud of as going through boot camp in the military. It was one of those life goals that I think makes me who I am now. And I think it's helped with everything, not just career, but in my personal life. I feel better, more accomplished, and my son's happier now, so I can buy him more stuff, and he's, I don't even know what to compare it to, because I've never experienced it. I've never actually gotten a degree that I pursued a career with before, or I've never completed a program that led into a career before. So this is a first for me, and I'm just riding a wave right now, so it's all right.